Hello, and welcome to Mindful Spaces, May's Teen Takeout Take and Make project. Included in this box is everything that you will need to make your own miniature Zen garden. We're all about relaxation this month. Boxes look a little bit different. These were donated by the Jeff Ruby Corporation and the Precinct Restaurant, so you have a plastic lid and a plastic box this time. Inside, you'll find a bag of sand, some rocks of different sizes, shapes, and colors. Here's some smaller ones here. Some seashells, again, different sizes, shapes, and colors. Some greenery to add to your box. And a specially ordered Zen Garden rake from the Zen Zone here in Lawrenceburg. So all you need to do when you get your supplies is to pour your sand into the box, strategically place your stones and your shells wherever you'd like them to go. Add your greenery for accents. And then take your rake and gently go through the sand, just letting your mind flow with the grains of sand. If you'd like, you can listen to some traditional Chinese music or any music that you prefer as you do this. And we also have a video to go along with it that shows some different Zen gardens that you'll find in Tokyo, Japan. I've also included instructions in your box. And pay close attention to when you watch videos of Zen gardens, because everything in them has some kind of meaning. Feel free to send me a picture of your finished garden at clonsway@lpld.lab.in.us, or better yet, send me a video of your rake going peacefully through your sand. You may appear on our social media. And while you're here, check out books like this on relaxation and mindfulness here at the Lawrenceburg Public Library. Thank you for spending some time with us, and I hope you enjoy your Zen garden.